This is Module 5, Lesson 1, and this is the Check Understanding. If you want to do it in your book, you can find it on page 141 at the very bottom, numbers 1 and 2. So, what correctly describes in a ratio language and with symbols the relationship between the number of tails and the number of legs on an animal? So, it asks you the number of tails. There's one tail, and there are 4 legs. This goes for a dog. So if you're looking in your book, it is slightly different. In your book, it says describe in ratio language and with symbols the relationship between the number of tails and the number of legs on a dog. So if you're in your book, we have 1 tail, 4 legs. So it asks you tails first. So you're going to put tails first. So for every tail, on a dog, there are 4 legs. So that's how you describe the relationship. And then they want you to do it with symbols too. So you could either write it 1:4, 1:4, or 1/4. I don't care which of the 3 ways you write it. If you want to write it all 3 to practice, that's fine too. But if we get back over to here, I know for every tail of a chicken, there are 4 legs. That is not true. Chickens have 2 legs. For every tail on a dog, there are 4 legs, and that's what we said over there. Okay, a recipe that makes 8 cups of limeade uses 2 cups of lime juice. Describe the related ratio 2 to 8 using ratio language. Does the ratio involve only parts, or does it involve a part and a whole? So let me go over and erase this. They're saying we're going to use 2 to 8. 2 stands for, if we come over here, lime juice. 8 cups of limeade is what that stands for. So we're going to start with 2 for every 2 cups of lime juice. So all of these are correct because they all start with for every 2 cups of lime juice. The recipe makes 8 cups of limeade. So we either have it here or here because this has a 6 and a 10. Now we have to figure out, is it only parts or is it parts and a whole? And it's going to be parts and a whole because this is 8 cups of limeade total. That's how much it is making. So we're not taking 2 parts here. The cup of lime juice goes into the limeade, and you are done with Check Understanding on page 141, or if you were doing it online with us in your math